Yeah, dude, it goes like right through these people's yards, and then like turns into a Jeep trail shortly after. Caveman lives out here somewhere.
Does he really?
Yeah. He showed me where it was, and I never can remember. But this is probably my favorite road out here.
Where does it bring you out at?
I can't remember. Dang, look at that whole area. Been cleared off, some kind of trail back there.
That's crazy, no walk off.
Yeah. Good old Potts Chapel. Oh, wish I had a bike that could wheelie. I gotta be careful with this one because it slips out of gear.
Does it?
In second gear it does. Yep, got him a KTM and got his wife a KTM.
She rides?
I guess she does now. I wouldn't want to meet a car on this road.
Fuck no.
Dude, I don't remember this ever being here.
Yes, you do.
No, dude.
Always been here.
I don't think it has. I mean, the road looks old here. Okay, now it's on my map. Yeah. Dude, I swear it wasn't on my map. But it says it dead ends. Right up here.
It dead ends? You turn around?
I guess. Big old turkey up here, dude.
Is it?
I don't know, dude. This road looks really well worn.
You see there's houses out here or something, man.
I don't know. It's a crappy driveway.
Very good.
Dude, it goes and goes and goes. It's definitely a county because everything's off the side of it's posted. But this is like the kind of stuff we ride at Campbell's Creek.
Yeah.
Just throw in a few creek crossings and stuff. Just the same kind of riding. Caveman says he knows all kinds of trails out here and stuff.
Really?
That's what he says, dude. Oh, this is sick.
Damn.
Yeah.
We've been out here, haven't we?
Have we? Have we?
God. Seems like we have.
It does, doesn't it? It's like, it's still not on my map. I think we have been through here. Dude, everything looks the same.
Yeah.
Once you get out here on these back gravel roads, everything looks the same.
Yeah.
Watch, hell of a ditch up here.
A hell of a ditch.
Yeah. Pappy's place. I think I've seen that before. Dude, don't tell me they're laying fiber out here.
No, you can't even get it. Fucking 100 yards from...
I mean, they laid it at my house too.
Oh, it is?
Yeah, but that's the same markers they put at my house for it.
Really?
Yeah. They put fiber out here, dude. That'd be ridiculous.
That'd be crazy.
Oh shit, dude, creek crossing. I don't know if I remember this shit or not.
There's no way that laying fiber out here can be cost worthy.
No way, dude.
With the amount of people that live out here.
I gotta go on a quick off-road excursion.
Where?
Right over this freaking mound of dirt. Oh! Through this freaking creek. And back up the other side. Pretty sick. So I know we gotta take a right to get back to where we were. Dude, I'm not sure if I remember this or not.
Yeah, I don't know now. And who the fuck's trash is that?
Probably the people that live out that road, I guess.
You gotta bring your trash all the way to the end of your road.
You want her to be picked up, man. This is just beautiful country though, man.
It is.
This property is protected by landowners. Protected by something owners. Low water bridge. Yeah, I think I've been through here before. There's some kind of trails that go that way. Where are you at?
Crossing the bridge.
No. Yep, I think we're gonna come right back out on that road we were on. Yeah. Oh man.
What?
So that is Potts Chapel. That's the road I was talking about us riding.
Oh, it's down.
And that direction is where I said there were like four-wheeler trails and stuff. Let me ride up here real quick. Oh my God.
Disaster.
I mean, it just ain't been cleaned out that well. Dude, there's tires and stuff up here.
What?
It's pure rock. There's a tree up here. You can get through it on a side-by-side or a bike, but not a car. You have to go under it. You still hear me? It's like a four-wheeler trail up there. Can you hear me yet? Yeah, I'm back. There's a tree up here you have to go under. That's why no cars or Jeeps or anything have been able to come through here.
My butt is fucking hurt.
Is it?
Yeah.
Stock seats are no joke, dude.
Hit it! Woohoo!
It goes all the way up here and down the other side.
Private property, bud.
Does it say that somewhere?
It says it right here on the stand.
Does it?
Yeah.
Oh, meow. Better to ask forgiveness.
Yeah, no doubt.
I'm pretty sure K-Man told me people ride out here all the time.
It says right there on that tree to your left. To your left right now. And this one right here.
Oh, man. Oh, man. So, if you...
Yeah, well, which way do we go? Straight?
Yeah, we keep going that way. So if you go up to the top of this hill, it's a it's a nasty little climb on a bike like this. You go up to the top of it, and there's a four-wheeler trail like this on this left side up here. No idea.
So if we wouldn't have cut off, we would have ran into this.
If we wouldn't have bypassed it, we'd have came down this, yeah. And you could have came down it easy, but I don't know about going up it with that front tire.
Yeah.
So,
so head straight.
Yeah, let's head straight. And if you want, just click that thing off. Just hit the top once.
Is it still recording? Can you tell?
I can. You got it in the way of the screen. It is. Click it. Okay, and then actually I can do it because I can see it. Cool. All right. We went 30 miles. Yeah, I need to ask Caveman. He knows all about this place up here.
There's like a mattress over here.
It probably would have brought you down right there.